In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift supports on this Ram 1500. If you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a hood support just to hold the hood up using a pick. I'm just going to take this spring clip off, just get in behind here, pull that outwards, and just push in. We're going to do the same for the top. Just get underneath there, and it slides right out. Take the new hood support, line it up, push it on, and down below, get that lined up. You may have to pull the hood up a little bit. That's lined up. You can do the same for the other side. And just take the hood support off, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.